No, finally, no, finally, I just want you to just share, like, any message to probably like content creators out there, or people with a platform who might be unsure of how they can contribute, because maybe them are like, boy, I can't compete with the Sean Paul them and the Shaggy, but they also want to play them part. Is there any word of advice or encouragement they can give?
For me, do what you can. I kind of feel like for a lot of people right now is boy, me not really have it, or boy, Romisha do this, I must say, Spice do this, I must say, do what you can. And also, it doesn't have to be monetarily, it doesn't have to be products, it can just be your service, it can just be you using your platform, you reposting a flyer, you reposting a relief drive. Like, so do what you can, you understand? And know what yourself, because it's literally not a today or a tomorrow type of thing. These people are going to be needing help for a long, long time. Like months upon months, possibly even years. So for me, again, take your time. Don't watch nothing. And again, even if it's just a post, even if you see somebody's relief drive that you perhaps cannot donate to right now, share it in your story. You understand? And take your time.